Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 1 based on steady state stability. The given question is a 4-pole 50 Hz 500 MVA 22 kV turbo alternator delivers load at 0.8 power factor lagging. Suddenly, a fault occurs which reduces the electrical power by 40%. If the input remains fixed, then the accelerating torque generated in meganewton meter will be basically. So we need to find out what values has been given. So initially 500 MVA and it is delivering at 0.8 power factor. So if we want to calculate the value of PE value will be equal to S cos phi. So S cos phi will be S value is given as 500 into cos phi 0.8. So initially P value will be equal to 400 megawatt. So P value is 400 megawatt. Now we can see if this is at steady state. So we can see clearly that if we are going to draw the P delta curve basically, if this is P and this is delta, and if this is P, this is P is equal to P max sine delta, and this is mechanical input. So PM naught is equal to PE naught is equal to 400 megawatt basically. So this is the diagram. Now what is happening exactly? If suddenly a fault occurs which reduces the electrical power output by 40%, means PE has been reduced by 40%, means PE dash will be equal to 60% of that 400 megawatt, 60% of 400 megawatt. So this will be equal to 240 megawatt. PE dash is become 240 megawatt. Now if mechanical input is remain constant, so we gonna calculate PA is equal to PM minus PE. So PM value will be fixed, that is 400, minus PE value has been reduced to 240 megawatt. So this will be PA value. So accelerating power is equal to nothing but it is 160 megawatt. So PA value has come to the 160 megawatt basically. So it has been asked accelerating torque. So if we are talking about the accelerating torque, so we know that the value of TA will be equal to PA by omega m basically. So now we are going to write that is 160 megawatt upon omega m. We know that omega E is equal to P by 2 omega m, omega mag basically. Omega electrical is equal to P by 2 omega m. So we can replace here, that is we can replace omega m is equal to 2 into omega E by P. So putting this value, so 160 into 2 into omega E P. So P value has been given as 4. So 160 into 4 upon 2 on omega E, we know that 2 pi F means 2 pi 50. So here we can easily calculate the value of TA is equal to 1.019 mega Newton meter. So this is the answer, and this question has been asked in GATE examination for 2 marks. So this is all about this numerical number 1 based on steady state stability. Thank you.